Hello viewers, welcome to Mathathon. Today's video, we'll be looking at dividing fractions. Now, a fraction has a numerator as well as a denominator. Here we have 16 over 48, where 16 is our numerator and 48 is our denominator. Now, how do we divide fractions? 1. We find the reciprocal, which is reversing the numerator and the denominator of the second fraction. We multiply the numerators and denominators. Yes, we're going to change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and then we're going to simplify if possible. Now let's try an example. We have 2 over 9 being divided by 1 over 3. It says here we're going to keep the 2 over 9. We're going to change the division sign, and we're going to flip the 1 over 3. So it should become 2 over 9. We're going to keep it, remember, we're going to keep the 2 over 9. We're going to change the division sign to a multiplication sign. And then we're going to flip the 1 over 3. So it should become 3 over 1. And then multiply. Now when I multiply 2 over 3, I end up with 6. Sorry, when I multiply 2 times 3, I end up with 6. And I multiply 9 times 1, I end up with 9. Now this can be simplified. I can use 3. Now 3 goes into 6 2 times, and 3 goes into 9 3 times. So therefore, my answer here is 2 over 3. Now let's try another example. We have 1 over 4 divided by 5 over 4. We're going to keep the 1 over 4. We're going to change from division to multiplication and flip here, so we'll end up with 4 over 5. Now we're going to multiply the numerators and the denominators. Now when I multiply 4 times 1, I end up with 4. And when I multiply 4 times 5, I end up with 20. Now this can be simplified. I can use 4. I can say 4 into itself goes 1 time, so 1 is my numerator, and 4 into 20 goes 5 times. 5 is my denominator, so here my answer is 1 over 5. Now I want for you to pause the video and attempt this example, and then you're going to compare it with what will be shown afterwards. Now I hope you got this correct. Let's put our 3 over 5, so we're keeping our 3 over 5, and we're going to change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and then we're going to find the reciprocal, so it will have 3 over 2 instead of 2 over 3, and then we're going to multiply. So we're going to multiply the numerators and the denominators. Now when I multiply 3 times 3, I will end up with 9, and when I multiply 5 times 2, I will end up with 10. Now we can leave this as a proper fraction, and we don't have to simplify it. So remember, we keep the first fraction, we change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and we flip the second fraction. Now, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.